Well, good morning. We are on day 2 of our adventure. Our destination today is to hit Indianapolis. Yesterday was crazy. We had to leave like 2 in the afternoon due to a lot of different things. So anyway, we got a couple hundred miles. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. Hey, appreciate you. We are taking a trip from Kansas City all the way to the East Coast, Maine. This is our day 2. Yesterday was kind of a fiasco trying to get away from home, and we only made it a couple hundred miles, and it was late at night, and we pulled in to a place I'm going to show you here in just a second for a great place to put them at. Also, if you were going to Sturgis, take 36 rather than some of the bigger highways. You'll like this place I'm going to show you. All right, let's go. I want to tell you about this little place we're staying at and give you an idea where we're at. We're in Shelbina, Missouri. It's off of Highway 36. Now, we could take 70 all the way to Indianapolis, but we don't. Why? Because we'd rather take 36. It's north of Kansas City, north of I-70. And it's a great ride. 4-lane divided highway going through better areas, less congestion. You'll hit a few semis because they're coming this way, but it's such a better ride. So quiet, so nice, less traffic, much more leisurely. And then you run across places like this. And let me tell you why. This place is called, Simple Rewards Inn. And this little place is awesome. The room rates are half of what you're going to be paying at other places. People are really great. It's just a local family that owns it. Talked to the son, and his dad's getting ready to retire, and he and his wife are going to buy it. They're out of St. Louis. Anyway, they treat bikers great. That's Mike, the son. And they even have bike parking over there. They'll watch your bike at night. But it's like half the price. It's not the Hilton. It's not overly bougie. But for under $100, we had a great night's sleep, very quiet. Also, just up, like, not even like half a block, right off 36 is a gas station, so you can fill up, not a problem. So we are heading to Indianapolis. We've got 350 some odd miles to go, and we'll be there this afternoon. And it's sprinkling right now here, but it's one of those little pop-up showers, so it shouldn't be a big deal. And we're going to get on this trip yet. Anyway, let's go. All right. Put some eyeballs on, back her up. Lock, lock, lock. Thanks for hanging out. We've got lots more miles to go, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.